Hi Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Welcome or welcome back to your Twin Flame and Soulmate Connection, the bonus reading for January 2021 with me, Ivy, Spiritual Messages and Tarot. If you are new to the channel, welcome, and if this message resonates with you, I will really appreciate the support by clicking subscribe and hit the notification bell. Without further ado, let's get into your reading. Okay Aries, so let's look at into your energy and your person energy on your twin flame and soulmate connection, the bonus reading for January 2021. Also Aries, please know that this is a collective general energy reading, therefore it may or may not resonate with every single one of you out there. If the message does not resonate with you Aries, please kindly consider checking your moon, your rising or your Venus sign. And if this message resonates with you, don't forget to hit that like, share and leave a comment in the comment section. By doing so, you will be eligible for free monthly giveaway readings, which I'll be doing towards the end of the month, every month. So let's look at into the channel message from your person here, Aries. Okay, so on this side will be your energy, Aries, and on this side will be your person energy. But again, due to this is a collective general energy reading, the roles or the energy can be interchangeable or vice versa. Now looking at the sign that I'm getting for you here, I'm getting a very strong fire sign, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. I'm also getting a very strong earth energy, Taurus, Virgo and Capricorn, as well as water sign, Cancer, Scorpio and Pisces. So you could be dealing with any of those signs, or your person could have any of those signs strongly in their chart. Now looking at your energy here, Aries, I've got the Devil, I've got the King of Pentacles coming up here, and then I've got the Knight of Pentacles energy. So the first message that I've got for you here is that this is going to be for a very specific group of people, I would say, because I'm getting like two energies coming up here. One is a toxic karmic energy, I would say here, and another one is a more mature and more grounded energy. So I feel here, Aries, you could be dealing with two people, or at least having two people in your mind here. Some of you here could be the karmic energy, I would say here. Some of you here, Aries, could be still living with your karmic partner, or at least still being together with your karmic partner, especially with this Devil energy. This is like quite a toxic energy, I would say here. Other than toxic energy, it's also like a little bit of manipulative, and like the energy that I'm getting from this person here, Aries, is that a very strong earthly energy, or like worldly pleasures energy, I would say here. So such as partying, drinking, some sort of addiction, I would say here. So like I do feel like some of you here still in this karmic situation, or in this with this karmic partner here, where it's a little bit of toxic, I would say here. There are a lot of unnecessary argument, unnecessary misunderstanding, like all the conflicts is what I'm sensing from your side here, Aries. And I've also got the King of Pentacles coming up here. Like this is like quite almost like the opposite energy, I would say here, because the King of Pentacles is someone who is mature, someone who is grounded. I feel like some of you here might have a significant age gap between you and your person, your true divine counterpart here. If not a significant age gap, there could also be a little bit of immaturity. But from what I'm getting here is that you have two person, or at least two different energy at this point of time in your life. One is this toxic energy, another one is a grounded and mature energy, which I feel like this King of Pentacles is the representation of your true divine counterpart, or of your true divine soulmate here, because this energy is calm and composed, like someone who knows what is it that they truly deserve. So like there is no stress, there is no there is no stress, there is no feeling anxious, no frustration, nothing of that. Like cool, calm and composed energy. Also like mature and grounded. Mature in terms of emotional and mental maturity, I would say here, Aries. Now another thing that I've got here is that I've got the Three of Pentacles coming up for you, which is talking about opening up yourself, expressing yourself here, Aries. I feel like you have been tolerating a lot of toxic energy, I would say here. So even if you do not have a karmic partner, even if you do not have a third party situation, again this could also be a past energy that is still weighing you down up until this particular point of time, I would say here, Aries. But I'm getting like a very strong toxic energy, or negative energy surrounding yourself. So the most important thing for you here, Aries, is that taking a step back here to reassess everything that is currently have been going on in your life from the past up until this particular point of time, and also giving yourself the safe space, I would say here, to express yourself, the safe space to like to communicate whatever that you've been feeling within yourself here. This can mean in terms of verbal communication here, Aries, as well as onto how to express yourself in a positive way and in a healthy way. So it's like I do feel like you've been trying to keep everything, like keeping everything within yourself here, thinking that with you just keeping everything within yourself is just going to be okay out of nowhere, it's just like going to be fine out of nowhere. But instead you're just like trying to tone down everything. This is giving you frustration, this is giving you even more stress, even more tension. This is like making you feeling down, feeling drained, feeling overwhelmed, I would say here, Aries. I feel like this is time for you to step up and say that enough is enough. I'm not going to tolerate any of this negative energy anymore. I'm just going to focus on myself and my life here, on how to bettering myself. For some of you here who might have been going through abusive situation, abusive patterns in their relationship in the past here, it's time for you to release all those energy as well. Forgive yourself for ever putting you in that situation, and forgive your person for ever putting you in that situation as well, which is why I've got the Knight of Pentacles coming up here. So the moment that you have deciding to leave everything, like to leave all this toxic situation, to leave all this karmic situation and karmic contract here, also be patient with yourself, because you are growing at this point of time here, emotionally, mentally, as well as spiritually. You are breaking free from all these things that you have known for a very, very long time. So this is like the time that you're finally stepping up to be the best version of yourself. This is not going to happen overnight. Things are going to like go a little bit in a gradual and slow process. So try to be patient with yourself, and try to be patient with all this healing and transformation that you will be going through here, Aries. Now looking at your person energy here, I'm getting the Wheel of Fortune, I'm getting the Queen of Cups, and I'm getting the Three of Swords coming up here with the overall energy, the King of Wands coming up. Oh wow, look at this. I've got the King and the Queen of the same suit coming up together. So whenever I do a love reading, if I get the King and the Queen of the same suit coming up together, that's already an indication of a very, very strong soul connection here. So this is definitely another confirmation for you that there is a very, very strong soul connection between both of you, and your person also realizes that at this point of time, I would say here. Now the thing here is that, Aries, with this King of Wands energy, the first thing that I'm getting for you here is that even though your person might seem to be like, okay, I don't care about them, I'm just going to forget everything about them, even though they are saying like that, it's like they're putting they are wearing a mask, I would say here, like putting a facade within themselves, like trying to forget about you, trying to not think about you here, but deep down they are heartbroken here, Aries. As you can see here, there is only one swan, and for some of you here, this is like just a general info. I've read somewhere that a swan is actually a couple. They have to be a couple, because if swan is alone, they can die from heartbreak. So that kind of energy is what your person is feeling at this point of time here. They're finally realizing how lonely, they're finally realizing how empty their life has been without you here, and this is what making them feeling heartbroken at this point of time here, Aries. Like they're finally coming to this realization, because as you can see here, I've got the King and the Queen coming up together. So they're finally realizing that you are their other half here. So that kind of energy is what I'm getting from your person at this point of time. Emotionally, they are currently in this emotional turmoil, I would say. As you can see here in this on the background here, all this sea raging, all the waves. So that's how they are feeling at this point of time here. Like I said, they're just like starting to come into that realization. So it's still a little bit of a long way to go for you here, Aries, but it's definitely like both of you are definitely already on the right track, I would say here, because they're starting to realize all of that. They are starting to realize how empty their life have been, and they're also feeling heartbroken. So this is what going to bring all these changes within themselves, and that's why I've got the Wheel of Fortune coming up here. Now the channel message that I've got from your person, I've got work, career and finances. I've also got patience and strength. I've got love come in unexpected way here. So patience is definitely needed in this time. Like I said, it may be a little bit of a long way to go, but both of you are going to be together. Both of you are going to come into this union. But the thing here is that the reason why it's going to take a little bit of some time here, because Both of you have a lot of things that you need to take care of. Both of you have a lot of things that you need to heal within yourself as well. So this is why it's going to take a little bit of some time. Meanwhile, try to focus on your healing. Rely on the divine strength. Do not rely on your own strength here. And I feel like your person is currently throwing themselves up, like trying to make up with all this heartbreak and with all this sadness energy by throwing themselves up into their work, into their business, and just building up their finances. So that's it for your reading here, Aries. I hope it resonates. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. I'll see you in the next reading. Have a good day, stay safe, and be blessed. Bye-bye.